Hello guys, I am here again with a topic that is very close to my heart, and I know you will be mind blown after this topic. So here it is. What are the two important days in our life? Many of us might be knowing this, or their different perspective. They can say like one day can be the day we are born, and if I talk about second day, the other day, that is the most important. You know, we will like get puzzled what it could be. Actually, there are two certainties. One is getting, you know, getting birth, getting on this planet Earth, and the second certainty is getting to the deathbed. Yes, but I'm talking about the two important days. So, one, you're absolutely right. It is, getting on this planet, taking birth, and the second important day, the most important day of our life, is when we find our why. Yes, why is it so important? The this word why, it is so important because when we are able to find why we are born in this planet Earth, what is the purpose? We all hear this one thing from from big people, from great personalities, that we all are unique in some or the other way. So the core point, what is the core in this? When everybody says this, it is all about what is your passion. Yes, your why. So okay, let me take an example. If I talk about animal, if I take an example of a dog, let's say dog. So what is the purpose of his life? How he will be happy? We all can easily answer. Just feed his hunger, he'll be more than happy. When he's getting 2 times, 3 times food, he's more than happy. Nothing, yes, he might want nothing except this. When we have a pet, a dog, cat, or some other animal, the love they get, they feel more blessed. So what I'm trying to say, they are made like this. When their hunger is like, they are like fed, their belly is full, they are like more than happy. But if we talk about human being, yes, it is the first thing that maybe human can strive for, like to to get the enough food for the survival. But after that, we have got this brain, it doesn't stop. We get one thing and it again go on and on. We strive for different things, try different things. So what is it for? Actually, it is striving for that one thing that we are born for. Let me take you one other example. Maslow's hierarchy needs. Some of you might have been heard about it already. In this chart, what he has talked about, he talked about the several stages of life that we human go to. So in the first stage, we go for survival. We want enough food so that we can survive. The basic needs, psychological needs like shelter, food, and all. And when we are able to get this, what we strive for, we get for safety. Yes, we work We strive for jobs, we want good jobs, enough money, and after getting fulfilled this, what we want, we strive for love, we strive for belongingness, you know, family, friends. We tend to get more social, and after that, what is the stage that comes? We strive for recognition. Yes, we want to be get, you know, more fame, more recognition from our family members, from our society, from all around. And after that, we strive for success. Yes, in whatever we feel, we want success. We want, you know, lots of everything. And then comes the stage that we are made for, self-realization. Yes, this is the stage. And what I want to say, that we are not supposed to be like that, wasting so much of years to from going 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 stage. Yes, for the people who are in stage 1, it might they might find it difficult to, you know, get all these things right in your mind, the things that I am telling, because if the stomach is empty, nothing will get in your mind. This is the first thing. You have to fill your belly, fill your stomach, fulfill your psychological needs, food, shelter, home. Then only you can go to the further. But if you are on second or third stage, you have enough money, you have good job, you have family, so you must strive for the bigger purpose of your life. What is the thing why you are born here? You must strive for that. You must look out for the things. And what are the ways that you can go for searching for that? Actually, it's so easy that we ignore this. Yes, the way to find your passion, your purpose, is to ask questions. Yes, the questions are very powerful indeed. You can ask certain questions like, what problems I do deeply care? What are the problems that I have solved for myself? Or we can go on and on, like, how is the word I want to be? How I want the word to be? And if I talk about myself, I got this knowledge from few great personalities, and then I come to know that yes, this is one thing that I am striving for. That could be my purpose. You need to keep on asking these questions to yourself, and in due time you will be amazed that you will have a sense of idea that you can work on, and you can go for your fulfilling your life fulfillment. One thing is bad is been said regarding success. Yes, success is what you get, and fulfillment is what you give. Yes, you heard it right. I'm not saying that there is anything wrong in getting success, but it's just the basic version of fulfillment. What you must look for, what you must go for, when you find the success, when you have your success in a particular field, if you can get that thing, if you can distribute that thing, if you can share that thing, if you can get implemented, if you can get more people that success, then you will be fulfilled, then you will have a fulfilled life. Yes, so guys, girls, do ask these powerful questions to you time to time. It may take time. You can go for deep thinking for hours, for a few days, for a week, or you can give your time a month also. And if you keep asking these questions, definitely you will get something that you can work upon. So, as I talked about in the starting, whatever you are going to, when you come to the point that yes, this thing could be mine, no, I want this, I want the world to be like this. You should ask this one question only: why I am going to do this? You will get the answer. You will come to know that yes, is this the thing that I can go for all along my life? So this is all about. And as I close this video, at last what I want to say is, people, do make time for yourselves, get time for yourselves to think upon these things and work on these things. We have a bigger purpose in our life. I'm not saying that there's something wrong in getting job, doing business, getting money. But when you find your purpose, when you get your fulfillment, money is money is the byproduct of the value you provide in the marketplace. Yes, money will follow. If you can make others success or get what they want, money will follow for definite. You will not have to think about it. So this is it for time being. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you very much.